Welcome back to the channel. Today Brian and I, we have a few hours before we have to go to an event. It's actually a baby reveal event, gender reveal for our 8th grandbaby. But anyway, this morning we are going to work on cleaning up all this right here, sorting through it, figuring out what is still usable, what is not, what we can use for firewood, and what we need to burn. Of course, we won't use any pine in our wood burning stove. So I'm going to sort through it, probably maybe do a burn. It's all pretty wet, so we're not sure if we'll be able to burn out this little pit. But all this cedar and stuff, we're going to get this staged up in an area. So what we're going to keep, we'll put some stickers between them and get that drying out. That way this area is all clean. So the next milling that we're going to be doing is going to be starting to mill our lumber for building a tiny home in Oklahoma on our property. So that way it'll all be dried out. When we built the storage shed, the milled lumber that we used for the storage shed, look at Brian being goofy, we didn't have time to let it dry out. So we sealed it with a Thompson's water seal, but we don't want to do that for the tiny home. So we're gonna start milling now. It may be a year before we start the tiny home. We're just not sure, but we're gonna start milling now for that because we've got lumber up here, as you can see over there already, lumber staged up and some out by the road. So we can mill it and let it dry out, so it'll have plenty of time to dry out. But right now, we're going to get started on cleaning up. So we got a lot of the cleanup done, piled up better, so we got the burn started. So now we're gonna move on to something else.